Hello, beautiful people. Happy Tuesday. Happy another trading day, which is exciting, isn't it? I'm just fixing up the camera. We're looking good here. There. We're testing out a double camera setup. I won't show it to you. I won't fool around, but we're back at it. We're back at it, and we're starting the day with a very difficult task. And when I say we're starting the day with a very difficult task, I kind of mean it. Let me show you around. So when I say difficult, it is difficult because we're in decision-making time. I'm uploading 2 links now to our Discord community. And these are 2 very important links that I'm uploading right now, because those are the links where we check the open interest on the majority of the trade. And I don't know if you can see my monitor. I very much hope, but what we're watching right now is ES maturing the current contract with September, and open interest and the volume of majority of the trading kind of shifting to December, which I'm not too keen about, because it's going to be incredibly difficult to navigate the market in front of us, because this right here, where I'm opening up ES in the next month's contracts, you can already see they're looking there. So just like I said previously on Discord and yesterday, and basically throughout this week, I'm not interested in anything on a higher time frame in terms of the price delivering with or without my bias, because not only ES matured, Nasdaq is about to mature in what? In minutes, possibly. If not in minutes, then tomorrow for sure, which is Wednesday. Not only that, tomorrow is Wednesday, where the markets are being hit with CPI news. Sorry, not CPI, FOMC news release, which is a day that it's not possible to navigate, literally. So not only we have an FOMC protocol where we're lowering our risk, looking to trade not less, maybe not to trade at all, and we have 2 contracts maturing right now, one after another. All I'm trying to say here is watch barchart.com, open interest, as soon as NQ open interest shifts to December, just forget all the good stuff and all the work that you did on the current September month's contract. Release it to nothingness, forget about it, forget that you know it. Consider it as old. Anywho, with that in mind, we have another topic to cover today, right away. You know, I'm providing value right away. Am I not? I wrote a very interesting post yesterday about how I managed my risk, right? And how the challenge is going, how beautiful last week was, how great it was to trade after CPI, not prior to it. Everything I said in the weekly outlook on Sunday, the 8th September, I executed on it. Am I proud? Hell yeah, I'm proud. But at the same time, said to myself yesterday while writing the post towards you to tell you how the challenge is going right now, said it out loud. I said that I'm lowering my risk for the initial part of the week because I'm expecting a loser to come. I even said a losing day, not even a loser, because we had losers here and there. Whereas the positions, we had a loser on 12th, we had a loser on the 10th, normal, right? But we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 good in a row trading days, one after another. I knew that we're gonna face a losing day, losing streak, possibly even. So not only I lowered my risk today, I'm lowering my risk coming day. And I'm lowering my risk not only because of FOMC hitting the markets tomorrow on Wednesday, I'm lowering my risk right now because I was in that winning streak. I need to preserve the account safe. Stupidity. Lowering the risk, this is what I'm doing. So, a little bit on that. Hope you don't mind. If you enjoyed this. If you do, let me know how are you guys. I'm very, very interested to know. And that's what's supposed to, right? So, very much hope you're having a good Tuesday. I very much hope you're not overdoing it in front of the charts. Not being stupid. Are you? Hope you're not. But another thing I wanted to show you is the trades and the setups that we had. So yesterday we did a lot of backtesting, right? We kind of spent an hour backtesting yesterday together with you. So if you did show up to it, I hope you enjoyed it. If you missed it, it is on the live stream itself. And I very much hope that you can find insightful. I very much hope you can find value in that. But if you didn't, there was there was a very nice trade setup. Happened yesterday. It was Monday, which I would love to go through before the market opens up in 11 minutes from now. We still have time though. So, what have I been watching? Let me put it. Good. So, yesterday's trading started with me kind of identifying bullish bias, right? I wanted the market to continuously go higher, attack Friday's high stops, price resting here from daily chart. Yes, we had this sell side liquidity pool that we ran into, but here I have a daily fair value gap that we kind of came in. Just check your daily charts, make it easy. I'll show it. I was expecting a dive for Monday into this fair value gap, push the market to. Was expecting. Fell in love with that while it's making the report on Sunday itself, and we exactly did what we wanted, and we got exactly what we wanted. Not only this inversion, supporting the push to the upside, value gap caught us supporting the market, to push the marketplace, which we were able to trade. Now I just want how precise. So the market opened up, and when the market opens, doesn't matter which way it goes, because we're not trading the opening range, are we? Huh? We're allowing the market to run. But what we do right here, we know the first initial fair value. First initial fair value gap of the day. We put it to our nose and we allow the market. People might have wanted to. People might. But what I'm watching is very clean buy side liquidity pool being acquired right before what? Do the swing. The fake move of the day, right? That's the first move of the day usually that we're not participating in. We push to the downside, leave a swing low, where a lot of people accumulate their stop losses while it's going on, right? An attack on buy stops happened. We didn't touch it because we're only looking to trade from what? 10-8. Because the market normalizes. What do we have? We have A. Accumulations. Manipulation to the bam. Rush to the downside. That's how first 40 minutes of the hourly 10 a.m. candle looks like. Am I not right saying that, right? Goes up, accumulates, pushes to the upside, distribute. Comes back into the range, but that doesn't matter. Watch this. Inversion happens. which we're not entering on this. Like we're way too high into a premium to enter from this. Market crashes down below. Downside being taken here, pushed to the upside, 50% level of the week. The price, beautiful price action. Nothing here is random, guys. Look at it, like there's no randomness here. But what happens after conversion gets reclaimed? You short here? Never do it. But you short when the fair value gap of the, which is the most important level throughout the entire 12 hours of trading, pretty much 24 hours of push to the downside. 1020 closes below. We invert the fair value gap, bound, we retrace into it. Downside is literally resting down below. There's nothing here holding in the price. There's no zones, there's no monkeys, no elephants, no nothing. Pure price delivery. The question is when the time is right. Doesn't matter what happens at 9:37, doesn't matter what happens at 9:49, doesn't matter what happens at 9:59. The macro delivers when the price is at the right position at the right time. Time is always the priority. Time comes into play, buy stops being run through, inversion happens. We invert the daily opening range first for value gap itself. Bam. We're gonna watch for something like that. So, with that in mind, we have a few things to say about what's to come today, which is, sadly, the day is coming because we're maturing the contract, because we're pushing the price to places where we don't want it to be. We're pushing the price to places where we're not expecting much precision, much correlation between one another. We're expecting choppiness, aren't we? And I'm not sure even which way to push this line, because I'm happy to do the work continuously on the same contract because we have a lot work done throughout the last 3 months on it, which is very nice to navigate through, which is very nice to be used, literally. Helps you out, feel the market, to know what the market. Gonna work with it. Let's work. We're gonna make it fun. I'm gonna be sitting on the new delivery contract today. So we have yes, you. And we're just gonna pretend we recently came into the marketplace and we have no fucking idea what is happening. So we're gonna use a few concepts. Sorry about that. Let me get a sip. So because the contracts are maturing, because we're leaving the open interest and majority of the volume that's coming from September delivery contract, we're leaving it and we're moving it towards December. We're gonna do a little bit of work to figure out the next move in the marketplace. We're gonna do annotations, we're gonna do a charting, we're gonna have a calm, easy session in a way that I wish that we could even place him, but I don't have a pot. You won't be able to. Sometimes it will be pretty cool. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the work to prepare ourselves for a successful 3 months period of trading the December contract. But I'm starting in a weird spot because I'm starting with 1 minute chart. How crazy is that? We're putting regular trading hours on. And where do I start? Starting myself with measuring where the market closed on regular trading. I think it's gonna be a bottom of the range because I'm into the. I see that we're trading shitloads higher than what where we closed. Yes, opening range gap is massive. Regular trading hours gap is massive. We're gonna do the markups. I'm watching it. Double top now even, but this is the 8:30 news release, right? Watching the high. Gonna be interested in the market. Very interested. And we're gonna come back as far as we're by delivered. Sell side has been accumulated and delivered. Yes. Internal liquidity. Take. Putting these off. What else do we see? I have anything else down? Not really. So you know for a fact that we're trading a lot higher than the this close. Stick above. With a sell side liquidity pool, and now we're in a ranging market condition. So up until the point that we leave this range, I'm not interested in EM. I'm not touching it. Let's take a look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq given us a similar situation. Buy side liquidity pool taken. So never gotten to that. Have we? So there's no surprise that the market started pushing. There's no surprise that right here, the market went higher because we have SMTs here. Yes, manages to create a lower low when Nasdaq fails. Market indicates that it's gonna run and run rapidly. We have a sell side liquidity pool. Anything else that we would be interested? Not really. So we're gonna watch the market open up. And we're just gonna let it rip up until the point that we're staying in this range created by 8 news release. Not gonna be anything but. How cool is it to open up clean chart and to say, okay, this is what we're gonna be working with, and we're gonna keep it incredibly simple to ourselves. Hello, Thomas, though. Hope you're good, man. Hope you're doing alright. I'm well. I'm just waiting. We're gonna do a lot of waiting today, just like we did yesterday. But going to the new delivery contract, what we're doing, because the volume is already shipped. What else can we put down direct? We have a huge opening, a massive gap that we're working. This is where the market closed, yes? Oh, doing. I am putting here to figure out 0.5. Gonna be watching important key level. It's gonna be interesting how we react there. Turning point today could easily be sell bomb tag 75 percentile. Gonna be watching that. And not only that, we're gonna be watching what? We're gonna be watching the. And on ES, we don't have one. Only things that we're working with right now is the regular trading hours, gap, liquidity pools created since 7 in the morning today, where New York session started, and the first opening gap of the day. I'd literally have, look at this, hourly. Like I have an empty chart. I have nothing. I have pure nothingness in front of me. And I'm gonna show you how to navigate. I'm gonna show you how to work with this. While it's literally putting yourself in a situation where paper you should have no fucking idea what is happening. Because you don't know the daily bias. You don't know the higher time frame delivery. You don't know nothing in a way. You can know everything if you just have a model. If you have a possibility of trusting the marketplace. Just inverted this fair value gap. So I'm watching the lower prices delivering. You're on in Q. Sell side down here, I'm very much interested in that being. Incredible. Plus, fucking go. And where did half of my chart is? Holy. How do I bring it back? Very quick, very nice scalp. In and out. Not interested in much else. So far so good, isn't it? Can we get this stack, please? And we just... Lovely, beautiful, precise. Make a guess, also. Already profitable. We already took what? One full trade in 2 fucking candles away from the marketplace. How beautiful is that? And both interest points and everything, pretty much everything that I outlined already delivered. What did we outline today? That for the market opening up, we want one or another pool of liquidity taken away from us. What happens? Market opens up, push to the upside, bomb buy side taken, first fair value gap of the day, boom, push to the downside. Where did we say the market is going to stop? 75%. Oh fucking yeah, no algo. Nope. Algorithm doesn't exist. Trading 1 minute chart is fucking random. You can't do that. It's not possible. Yada yada. Fuck you. That's all I gotta say. This is fucking amazing. Hope you're enjoying it. So continue any lower. Next. That's what I'm gonna be watching. That was quick. That was fucking rapid too, huh? I wasn't even able to push the button on the other account, to be fair. Because I'm trading with two accounts, right? I'm trading with an account that is in front of you, and I have another setup here. Even a secondary mouse. I can show you around, I don't mind. There you go. Mouse number 1 in front of you. Mouse number 2 for the second setup. Huh? And go. But I literally have it so I don't fool around, but when time comes, I can execute on both the accounts, right? And I literally didn't have time to push the button on the second account. It's funny, but at the same time, it's cool. You see the reality of me doing it in front of you guys. Oh yeah. 1 for 1 today. 1 for fucking 1. Should we update the balance? Let's keep it. That's I'm interested in low. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to. I'm interested. So, since we're trading in a new. So, since we're trading in a new delivery contract, and you saw me, I'm only using 1 minute chart so far. I have nothing annotated. The only thing that I have is the indicator here. Not even this one, by Faddy, whatever. Good guy, dude, crazy good, because he's doing it possibly for free, allowing us to use it. The only thing that I have on my charts, let's go 10 minutes so you realize I have nothing else. I only have the new opening gap. So what I'm watching now is the possible drawn liquidity lower that we annotated that happened here at 7 a.m. that we're interested in, and the possibility of the market going down there and then finding support where new big opening gap. So now when I show you this, you have to realize, have any bias in daily chart? No. Do I have anything that I use from hourly? No. Do I have any trend lines? Do I have any fundamentals going on here? No. All I'm doing, I'm literally using 2 last previous hours of trading in terms of liquidity pools. And I'm watching the market literally deliver precise price when the time is right. We're trading time versus price concepts, guys. Put it to your heads, time versus price. No zoo patterns, no doji candles, nothing. Only time and price. We're gonna deliver down there. I'm quite certain. 19,740, watch that. But to make our lives easier, I'm gonna go to the higher time frame to figure out what I'm doing for the, because I'm interested. Find a big move at some point. Not. So, what I'm noting right away. All-time high. Daily. All-time high. We're noting this. Push high. And that if I'm gonna, because We might create a massive SMT. Oh. Hello guys, how are you guys? Hope you're good. Hope you're well. How's Dubai treating you? And why I'm saying that we might create a massive at the top, because R and Q has that by exactly the same buy side liquid. Gonna be interesting. Gonna be very happy for you, man. Good for you, man. Good for you. So, what else am I watching? I'm watching this. That inversion kind of exactly. Now we have another inversion. But you see the difference now? This is why I'm saying we have to remain very, very careful. See how beautifully Nasdaq yesterday on Monday created this swing low and allowed the market now to push higher. It's failed to do. This is me. This is just me doing my markup. I have this buy side liquidity pool here. You're trading the daily time frame. You should be part 3. Let's go deeper into the 4 hours chart. What do we have here on the 4 hours? The only thing that I have is this. I'm not too interested. I'm not too keen on anything else here. So I'm gonna push myself to. And on hourly, what I'm interested in, usually I work with one previous day. Nothing else really interests in hourly. So I'm noting what? I'm noting lows for certain. I have to put it to you. Previous day's highs, Friday high. What else do we have? Sell side liquidity. I'm not noting it because I want it to be delivered. I'm noting it because I need to understand what's the current market. Trading in a premium? Are we trading in a discount? This is juicy. This is a big. Have our build up done. Have put it there. We're gonna go lower into. Okay, one more thing here. Pause the video if you wanted. What do you see on Nasdaq? Tell me. Nasdaq, what do you see? What I see is high, lower low, higher high. Let me do this. Move indicate. Oh, high. Last up close candle here is what? Breaker block. I'm interested in this allowing the market to push higher. I'm incredibly interested in pushing the market and close above. I would love to see the market close. I'm gonna bring back the indicator. I'm gonna bring back. Possibly, right? We need a closure above it. Would be great. Go lower. 15 minutes. I had a call today and the guy came into the call and said, "What's poppin', Ignas?" So, 15 minutes chart. What's poppin'? Fuck me. 15 minutes is also bullet. Alright, to you. I'm happy to see what it delivers. I'm gonna continuously watch that, and I like how the market is kind of guessing out. We're gonna see. First fair value gap holding in the price, push to literally working to get to that sell. So, what have we analyzed so far? Daily chart. My bias is bullish. I want this buy side liquidity pool on ES and this buy side liquidity pool on NQ to be delivered. When the market is fair, the market is in the equilibrium. Now, because on lower time frame, I want to see a little bit of sell side to be attacked. Sell side is sell side is resting below on. With that in mind, I already shorted here. Took it off. Now I'm waiting for my target to be hit. We called it like 15 minutes ago, 19,740. So far, so fucking good. And once that delivers, we're gonna look for change in delivery. Just gonna happen very, very soon. Because what? Because time of the day is coming through. The macro has just started. We're gonna be looking for a long position now. So far, so fucking good. So let's see, what do we have here? Any openings? Do we have any for values? Yeah. Everything below it bearish, everything above it bullish, making it incredibly simple for. Brilliant. And I'm telling you guys, like, sometimes, like today, probably felt into the marketplace a bit angry, but it's good because when I am delivered to you guys. And why am I hangry? Hangry, not hangry. Why am I a little bit angry today? Oh, I'm a little bit angry today because I had a conversation with a person today which kind of said, listen, there's no chances you're able to do this consistently. You're gonna lose, you're gonna fail. This 1 minute chart is just noise. It's not possible to navigate because it's random. Nothing here is random. Look at what we're doing day in, day fucking out. Nothing. Nothing. You gotta put a lot of effort into this. Yes, you do, but I'm up for that. %, delivered. I'm still waiting, delivering what it's supposed to do. I'm gonna do something sad though. I'm gonna do something very, very sad. I'm gonna go to my object tree. And we're gonna open up that. We're gonna have a moment of silence. Adios, September delivery. And we're gonna say, hell yeah, let's go again because we're trading December. Let's fucking go. December delivery contract. It's gonna be best delivery contract for us. Let's fucking enjoy it. Clean slave. No bullshit. Drawings on the chart. Only beautiful stuff. Trades that. Let's go. I'm interested in this long now. I'm interested in this pause. This is what I'm watching now. Outside taken, inversion, enter. What I'm watching. Alright, so far so small. I'm not overdoing it. I'm not overdoing it. Because it's dangerous to trade the first inversion. Incredibly dangerous. We're watching it. Figuring out. We're getting a feel of what the market is going to deliver next. We can be right, can be wrong, it doesn't matter. Why? Do you know why it doesn't really matter? It doesn't really matter. Crazy to say that. Doesn't really matter because we're playing a stats game. We're playing a game where we're literally going through this knowing that every single entry that we take gonna repeat itself, and all we gotta do is we gotta push the button when setup is this a setup that I can use? Hold on, it is. Because not only we have an SMT here at the lows, we have an inversion, and that inversion together comes with new weak opening gap that we called for, that we're interested to be delivered, because this is the 50% range of the regular trading hours. It's crazy good. Just crazy nice. We're allowing this to rip now. Rip us apart. We're watching higher prices. That's my interest. So thus. And I'm gonna partial off here. And we're gonna move stop loss to break even. And we're gonna call it happy fucking days. Beat this. And we're risk free. I'm fucking loving this. And I can't. Fuck me, but I didn't press the button on the other account again. Which is silly. Which is a little bit annoying. I wish I would be able to talk and trade two trading accounts at the same time. But this time, okay. First trade that we took right here, I didn't have time. I really tried, right? Showing you around again. Two mouses, two setups I'm using, right? I really tried with the first trade that I took. Now the second trade now that I took, I literally forgot that I need to push it on the other account too. Which is a bit sad. Love to be in a position where I push the button on both accounts, but I got stopped out. Cool. Far so fuck. Can it run higher? Easy. Am I interested in participating? Like, do you guys realize the fact that I'm scalped badly? Not holding on to the position? Because I'm not interested in anything delivering today. Would I be happy to still be holding on to this? Yeah, of course I would, but at the same time, let it run without us. I don't care. Gonna be through, push. We're gonna deliver. Sadly, without. I'm watching this now. I'm quite interested in. Under 5 handle stop. Who's loving this as much as I am? Huh? Who's loving as much as I am? Far so fucking go. I wish I would be tagged a little bit more into this. Push another button here. Why am I doing this? Why did I just push that button right here? Because we inverted the first for value. And we're allowing the randomness. The 1 minute chart, which is not possible to navigate to do it work for us. Yeah. We're gonna have such a massive SMT. No. Partial is gonna come through. Once the partial comes through, I wish to take the partial though, but no, partial off manually. And we're, ooh, the stop loss moved so high. Okay, now it makes then. Can't go break. Should I go? Yes, I have. Killing this, right? We're having a massive SM. This runs lower. It's totally relatable. Huh? Oh, let's take a look. Logged. Our buy stops. And this. Yes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes inversion just happened. We might take on. If we're gonna take like 5 trades and win all 5 goals. So I have to realize something incredibly annoying, which is me taking winners one after another. This is fucking crazy, man. This is fucking what what is interesting, let's say, is that that I went minimum risk today because of what kind of day we have today, and I'm just killing the market. It's a little bit annoying, but at the same time it's fucking amazing. Killer. We are killing it. Let me check. Like what is happening in forex. I'm interested in the place to enter that. I'm interested in higher price. Oh, okay. We're gonna have to do some waitings. But so far so fucking good. What you have to realize the fact, guys, that we're back at fucking equity highs. Back at equity highs, man, which is incredible. What I'm thinking now, I would never suggest you to think about it, but what I'm thinking, since we took so many fucking trades already, we shorted here, we shorted here, we went long here, And we went long here. 4 fucking trades taken already. If you want executions, go to fucking Discord. All in there. But I'm thinking now, since we built up a cushion of $150, I'm gonna say it out loud. I don't like myself for saying this, but I'm gonna say it. I think I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit and we're gonna place a proper trade, even though today's the day where I shouldn't be doing it. I'm gonna see what we're gonna deliver, but right now I'm watching this. Knowing that this is an SM market. This part is percent level. Yup. Delivered. Bomb. Inversion. Bomb. Push to the fucking. I'm loving this. Would I ever be interested in short now? No. I asked myself a question and I answered it at the same time. No, I'm not interested in taking. I'm not looking for such a possibility. I'm interested in higher prices delivering. I'm gonna stick to it. Yeah, so far so fucking good. The trade that we took here, yes. Trade that we took Q and Q as well. So far so good. Balance at new equity highs for the day also, which we can actually put in together. Because I'm gonna do something. I'm not gonna trade no more. I'm gonna log in, not into TradeZilla, but okay, I'm gonna need TradeZilla too. TradeZilla and log into TradeDebate. I'm not showing you how I'm logging in because I don't want you to see no emails, no passwords. Sorry, but gotta keep a little bit of privacy to myself. So what I'm doing right now, in the account, I'm downloading today's orders. Orders downloaded. And we're coming back into the TradeZilla. Sorry about this. So we killed the market today. We fucking killed the market today. But at the same time, I'm a little bit annoyed because I kept it safe. I kept it away from silliness. I kept myself away from doing stupid stuff. And I didn't allow myself to go full risk today. So I fooled around with micros. Because this was fooling around. Yes, the price is precise. Yes, the price is delivering everything we want to. But you trading today is you fooling around. Saying it out loud. I was playing plain old stupid trading today. But we're killing it. We're at equity highs again. Balance right now is at what? Balance is at 91.61. We've never been that high just yet. And we're just rolling through this, man. Yesterday was a losing day, which is totally fine. We're back in profit today. We're not gonna trade today no more. And today is possibly gonna be a day off. we're gonna go live. We're gonna do a little bit of fun, but we're gonna backtest. We're gonna do a little bit of work. Because this is day 26. We're what? Day 26, and we're 72 fucking percent up on the trading account. Oh, fucking Ray. Let's fucking go. First fair value gap of the day on NQ doing what? Holding in the price incredibly. So, what I'm thinking now is... Okay, what I'm thinking, to be honest with you, I'm thinking about closing the live stream, because we've done enough. And I'm not looking to close the live stream because I want to run away, because I have work to do. But I'm looking to close the stream because I want to preserve, I want to keep the account growing without stupidity, without any issues, without any silliness next to it. Knowing myself. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful with what I'm doing day in, day fucking. So, me sticking to this, me sticking through this, me spending time in front of the chart, danger. Because there's always a possibility of me pushing a button. And we shouldn't be pushing any buttons today whatsoever. Time frame. Been broken through this. Top. Minutes possibly opening up. So far, so far. So I'm watching this and I'm thinking now to myself, I don't even know which trade was the best for the day. Which one should I report on? I'm thinking about ES. I'm thinking of ES more than NQ. NQ I couldn't hold on to it and start. Not. So I'm thinking we should report on ES instead of NQ. A little bit more reasonable, I think, no? We're coming back to that 5-minute inversion. Let's see. See what happens down here. This is interesting reaction. Let's watch this. I have an order block. Didn't touch it though. I would love the price to touch it. 1%. And here I'm catching myself, talking myself into possibly taking a trade, which I'm not gonna do. I'm not gonna be stupid. Pushing higher nicely, isn't it? Very nicely. But it's not precise. I don't like the fact that it's so unprecise. Would love it to have touched and then run through it. Oh, we're good. Still $150 away from marketplace on a day that is difficult on paper, not directly on paper. And I'm just gonna stay happy with it. I just closed my trade of it, so no more entries for me. We're watching the higher prices deliver. This inverted it. I'm not gonna take it. I'm gonna watch this. I'm not touching the markets anymore. Interested in is forex. Let's do this. Out. I'm interested in forex. Always interested. Previously high taken. Gonna push away with Geo maybe. Pushes away. We have that inversion, but we button lower that. 15 minutes. I needed to get to that hourly. Like I love the possible. I'm loving this. Like it's This here, amazing. Put it higher. Plus. Let's watch it. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna watch it. Not touching it. So. Okay. Not trading this. I'm just watching it. Putting to your my notes. Put it in my journal already. A screenshot of this. So we're gonna take a look later. This delivery. So precise. Watching here. You see my charts, don't you? You see a lot of things. Didn't even realize. Didn't even realize how much you can see. Me talk. No, I'm more interested. Push away. I'm not entering this. Watching this. Good. Like this. I think this is gonna be it. Why I'm saying this is gonna be it? Because we just broke below this. And because we just broke below this, I'm not gonna be interested in the marketplace. So, making it easy for myself because I don't want to risk the account anymore, but at the same time, lovely day. Lovely day so far. I very much hope you enjoyed it. And I'm gonna see you tomorrow for FOMC. Yes, we're gonna be